Oh, of course. What is this? Okay, it's okay. Okay. Let's go. How do I join my live on short? Am I even live on short? Maybe I just go to the shorts and I scroll it? Or maybe I search in short? I don't think I'm live on short. Bruch. Why am I not live on short, bro? I see vertical, everything seems correct. Privacy public. Why isn't it live on short, bro? Everything seems correct. This should work. Okay, it works now, I guess, right? Yeah. It looks like it works, but it's not gaming now, it's education. Yeah, so now we are education. Okay, let me pop out the chat. And I close this, I guess, right? Maybe not, maybe I go open it again, but I like copy it to the this button. Okay, like this. Bam. Close this. And now I have one chat and second chat, and it should be correct now. That's great. Okay, I can see everything now. I can close this. I can check it out on my mobile phone if that works. Yes, it works now. Yeah, nice, it works. Boom. Okay, let's run a bit first because we'll make levels today. So I need to get in the feel of running, so I can like easily let me make the music a little bit quieter. Okay, let's go. Can I jump from here to this place? Yeah, I wanna try it out. Oh, that was almost. I almost did it. Okay, like this. Whoa! What a good jump that was. That was nice. Okay, I wanna try it again. Can I jump from... Yeah, I can. Okay, that's possible. That's nice. Oh man, that was weird. So I think I got blocked on my own collider, like in the part of my back. Okay, let's jump this place. And let's test the pipes. So I got a nice feeling, because I think I will build some more pipe places. It's not that easy. The idea is that when you run on pipes, you need to run straight to don't fall from them, but you also need to change your direction in the air, so you can fly to the next pipe. So you need to like have a proper amount of air control for it to succeed. And you need to jump fairly late, because those are pretty long jumps. So you need to jump like on the last frame where you're like barely are. Yeah, I don't like this music a lot. Let me just change the music to something else. Maybe I'll just listen to my liked music. It might be weird sometimes, but who cares? Okay, let's check out how many FPS I have in editor. Of course, in editor it's not speaking for much, but yeah, okay, it's basically just editor FPS, no falling down. Whoa, look how good. I missed the last jump, but look how good of a series I had. Okay. Oh, yeah, right, that makes sense. Where did it go? Yeah, I have it now, right? It works? Yeah, it works. Okay, let's close Steam. Nice. Some proper good jumps. Okay, let's just try to climb to the top. With correct speed you can seriously jump really far. And that's crazy, that's hard but crazy. You really don't want to like lose your speed though. I don't want to start from the start. Where do I start from? Let's start from this place maybe. It's important to choose the correct jump for a correct distance. So you like don't always want to do sprint jumps. Sometimes you need to do normal jumps. Oh man, yeah, that was my bad, but I don't care. I will just use some cheats to get here. And yeah, I can just jump on this, and now on this, now on this, on this. Most of the jumps I can even do like without sprint. Boom, can I jump there with speed? I think I should be able, but I'm a little bit afraid. Maybe I will jump to this block and now, yeah, easy jump, easy jump. Whew. Yeah, the jumping feels pretty solid, even on as little blocks as these ones. Nice. Okay, let's see if the mushrooms work. Oh man, mushrooms are hard. I don't know. Like, I mean, it was my bad because I didn't really like aim properly. But I also feel like they could just work better or something. Like the momentum they give you is not consistent. Look, like they don't give me enough momentum now. It's hard to know like when will they give you enough momentum to do the jump you want to do. I feel like you need to go like on the edge of them so they can give you proper momentum. Yeah, that's like pretty weird, that's wonky. Okay, so what do we need? We have the bit with the pipes. I really like how this part works. This middle part, I really like how it works. So what part I don't like, for example? Okay, so I like this part, I also like this part. This part, these jumps are like nerve-wracking and I don't really like them. I would like prefer to have like separate route for that. So maybe instead of going there, we could have like a separate route that would like go under and from the other side, something like that, no? So like here you can go to the left or you can go to the right. Yeah, and you could jump from this to this place. But with what do I want to make it? I guess some pipes would be good, but maybe not. We just had some pipes, so But I guess we could like reuse like this bit and just rotate it, no? Wouldn't that be like okay? I'm not sure really. Maybe we could reuse the target platforms. Let me see, what do I have here in those different folders? Motions, fundamentals, yeah, let's just go to the synth, where are you? Here, okay. Maybe something from Vikings, something like wooden. What do I have in buildings? Nothing cool. So in environments maybe? I don't know, it doesn't convince me. Oh, this is, and planks. Planks are cool, right? Like everyone likes some planks. This is also like, you don't want to fall from that, right? Cypress like this, I want to make it like a bit bigger. So like this. Of course I set it on ground layer and it needs to be wooden. So I think the jump like this would be pretty cool to signalize that it's like a fast route, so you need to like sprint on it. And we will go, I have an idea. So this route will be like a route that you like jump forward and then you need to like return from it. So you will jump forward and then you need to, that's like pretty big place to go up, but I think it's a good idea. So what we do is go like this and make it a little bit higher. So like this, I guess. And now I also want to use like a plank or two, because planks I think makes sense for them to be vertical. I also want to make it like a bit bigger, so it signalizes that it's a running part. Local, and like this I think, and this would be pretty cool. Maybe even too much. Let's get it back to something like that. And where do I set it up? I think more to the right, like this, and more forward, like this. Something like this would be cool. And of course we can make like multiple of them, but maybe, what is this, like trench bridge? How does it look like? I don't know, I'm not sure, I don't like it. Props, what do we have from props? Oh, boats are always cool, right? Boats are super cool. Let me get like one boat. Stuff like this is also cool, but I don't see how that would work in this situation. I want like one of these. This is like net, so I don't like net. I don't think that would be cool. Yeah, of course shields are cool. So can I run all those spikes? No, those are not running spikes. This could be cool to signalize that you need to run on it, right? But I don't know. Snow, yeah, who cares? Yeah, so this is like destroyed boat, but this is like working boat, right? So like, which one is cooler to jump on? Like a destroyed boat or like a complete boat? I think the destroyed boat is cooler. And with the convex, yeah, it's better. Weapons, yeah, we won't be running on weapons, right? I mean, maybe on shields, but not really. Okay, so let's also go to like, what? Nature, gang war, western frontier. Yeah, let's go to western frontier. And let's see if we can have some cool props too. Yeah, barrels are always great. Chair maybe, but I'm not sure. Like this is also like, can we? I don't know, like this destroy boat is pretty cool. Do we have something like steel? I don't know, I don't think we have. Oh, this is also like a pretty cool thing to run on. Yeah, I really don't think we have anything steel like, really, from environments. Yeah, it's like, who really cares? Generic, yeah, of course I understand now. Yeah, we have also like simple fantasy, but yeah, it's like, yeah, I think that's enough for now, anyway, to make it. So I choose this, and this. I go to like ground and I tag this for wood. And now I just set it up correctly. So with this, I want to like place it. Okay, so what I actually would want to do is to like create a platform coming out from the wall, like that you want to jump on. And I think that should be like jumpable, right? Maybe like a little bit lower. And I make it like this, so I have like a couple of them. And I think it should be way further. And this one also should be like way further. And now we jump on the boat. And the boat is a bit like this. That's like super cool, right? And like this and like this. So now we jump on it. I think it's pretty far jump, so maybe let's make it like this. I think that should be okay. I mean, those are also like far jumps. I don't know. Maybe I'm like thinking not far enough. But it's also like easy to fall from, right? Okay, and what I need now is to make like 2 jumps with planks. Let's just take maybe this plank. Let's make it like twice as big. So like we can see that it's pretty big. And we'll still need to go higher. Okay, so I don't think we go like this. I think we make it like that. So we jump on it like that. Now we still make like a plank in this position. Okay, and now we can grab more of these. Rotate it now like 45. Go a bit upwards of that. We want it like this. Yeah, that seems like a really long jump. Maybe I can make it like lower, like this. Maybe a bit higher, okay. And yeah, now we need to like get a lot of height. Like a lot of it. Like I think that's possible, should be possible. And now we get back, so we can get on the thingy. I also think I should make this thing smaller. So this side is also like harder. Not by much, but something at least. And yeah, I just go with more planks, or maybe not. Maybe let's choose the targets, but make them like much bigger. So we can really sell the idea that it is a fast place to go, not a slow one. Okay, and I think something like that would be good. Like that. Like that. Yeah, that should be good, right? It should totally work with no adjustments, but let's test it, of course. Let's, of course, test it. Okay, and now the new route. I have no experience with it, so I have no idea what will happen. And I think this stuff is like way too close. It's way too easy. Right? I think it's way too easy. Let's see, we are at this position and let's do it like in a sprint. Yeah. It's just too close to like sprint comfortably on it. Maybe it's not. Maybe it's... I'm not sold on it. It doesn't feel as good as I would like it to feel. Yeah, I have... Okay, let's like list my changes that I want to do in it. So I can do many of them at once. Yeah, so like this is the main problem there. Because I don't feel it should work like this, that you need to go fast and then you need to go slow to be more consistent with it. Yeah, and the problem is also like how you jump from the first place. Like you, because of you really want to make that jump, you make it like oh man. Bro, just let me... Like this jump is like way too easy. The first jump is way too easy. You need to like jump from this position to make it somehow viable. And now when you are here, you should be able to like do 360, no 360, like 180 and start jumping back. This should be the whole idea, that you do 180. And not just now slowly go in this position. Those are not that bad, but also they could be better, I think. Yeah, it's hard to tell like how fast you need to go. But maybe that's just skill issue. Oh man. If I go slow one by one, it's like pretty easy. But that's not the idea of the fast route, right? But maybe that's also just like skill issue. Yeah, so what I wanna do is like 180 for sure, and the first jump is like way too easy. And by how easy it is, it actually makes the whole course harder, because player needs to like think about something something different. And yeah, we have like too many jumps at this place. It should be like way harder for single jump, because by this the difficulty will be like similar to them. Okay, and now, so what happens when I jump at this place? It's like way too easy to make this jump, so let's do it like this. And after you jump on this, you need to go in the total opposite direction. And what I do, I will make this like even a bit bigger, like 1-3 maybe even. And yeah, just make it pretty high. I think it's still too high, but maybe something like this should be possible. I think it should be. And now you just go with the high stuff. Oh, not this one. Okay, this one and this one. And what you do is you jump like that. I think that's too often, maybe like that. Okay, let's test it. Oh, and also the first jump, it's like, yeah. But what exactly do we do with it? We just make it like higher a bit? Maybe that's the correct way, right? To just make everything a bit higher. Oopsie. And this one too. Everything a bit higher, yeah. Let's try it now. It should be a pretty fast, pretty fun alternative route to what normally we are running. Okay, so I need to go for a second now, so see you guys in a second. Okay, what is this, bro? What is this? Let's go this. Oh man. Incredible. Bro, incredible. Bro, I swear I'm not trolling. Okay, and what about... Okay. The distance is not perfect though. Man. Okay, that was way too high, lol. Okay, let's go. This place, okay, and now this jump was way too far and way too high, right? Let's then bring all of them down, and a bit here and a bit down. And I think these two are also like a bit too far. Okay, and this jump should be a bit this place. Yeah, and those are pretty easy to land, so those are no problem. But yeah, this will be hard. Okay, so I think that's basically like pretty okay. Okay. Movement speed, maybe make it like a way lower movement speed, so it's like not viable for speedruns. How to make it more annoying, because I would like to make it like more annoying, but I have no idea how. I think it's okay. Anyway, right? Okay, so climbing higher, we are here. And we are just going like that. Yeah, I think that makes sense. And it should be okay-ish. The mushrooms are not that good, but do I really care? I know, I really don't want to like try to change this right now. Maybe I will do it later. Okay, so how do I want to design the transfer between this place and the next place? Like, where exactly will you learn? And how will you learn that bam, I'm suddenly in a new place? Maybe you should like go a bit higher still? I don't know, what if I just go like this and I delete those mushrooms because who cares about them? And I just go like this. This mushroom is also like a bit higher. Maybe not, we don't need to make it higher, right? Just this should work. It should bump you on that. And now what? What do we do in the new place? What do we do in the new place? I guess we would go with circular design this time, right? But how do we do that exactly? With just some planes? I don't know. I know what I can build here though. I can do the trick with the pillars and with these thingies. And I think that trick would be pretty cool. So like let's grab one of them. And what we can do is we can just place them like that. So the player will jump on top of them, like higher and higher. Without sprint, let's make it without sprint, so it's strictly like vertical. So like this. And then he needs to go in the different direction, also like this. So like this. Makes sense, right? And that way he will gain like a lot of verticality in this place. But it will also be like a neo jump at the same time. Can I just test it quickly with the player, please? Come here, man. Thanks for coming, and now let's test it fastly, quickly, and you know, all the things you want from testing. Let's see what's going on. Oh, okay, so I can't jump because of the jump effects. Oh, unlucky. Okay, let's test it not that quickly then. I hope I will like spawn there, but I totally get it if I don't, because of the checkpoints. It works pretty well. So that's nice. And yeah, that was easy to test. Mostly because it worked first try. Okay, so what I do, I just snap it. And the same thing with the second place. Just like that, great. And now because of that, you are at the top. And now the real fun starts, right? Because you want to go there and also you want to go up. So what we'll do, we will do another pipe course because I really like them. And I think they are stressful because it's easy to fall from them. So I also think it will be perfect for a place like that. Because you will basically just have the fear of going like full down. Okay, so after we jump at this place, let's make it like 0, 0, 0. Well, it's not really like 0, 0, 0, but I get it. And we jump on it. Oh wait, because I pressed like 999 instead of 0, 0, 0. Yeah, that's now 0, 0, 0, that makes sense. So we jump on this. And then we just rotate everything like 12%. And just jump like that, right? So now it will be like 24. And now it will be like 46. right? And now it will be like 68. Wait, no, this was the 46. 68 needs to be next one. 68. And now the next one will be like 90, just 90. Nice. So basically this is how it will work. And I think it also should be like pretty cool to jump on. Yeah, I made it like a pretty nice arc. So let's see how it plays. Oh, I can't check it out like this. I need to go through the lobby creation. But yeah, I think that should be like pretty cool anyway. I really may need to like, oh, I fucked it up again. I really may need to like create a faster way to test it. But it's also like not that bad, right? Okay, let's try to going to the start menu. And let's just play through it quickly. I really like the Neo jumps. I think we need to make more of them because like this game has like great air control. So the Neo jumps should be pretty easy to do even on like low level areas. Okay, so like this, like this, like this. Oh man, like this, like this, like this, and like this. And now with sprint, we are like way too close to each other if we want to make like a nice sprinting, because look, if I sprint, yeah, it's basically, yeah, you just can jump so far with sprinting. It can be done without sprinting and comfortably, look. Yeah, even this one worked. Okay, sometimes I feel like I get a lot of velocity when I'm going down, like at the first moment. But at least the Neo jumps are pretty cool, right? Oh man. Oh man. I can't believe it worked very well for the first time, but now it's harder for me. Oh man. I'm so stupid. I would never survive in Parkour Civilization. Bro, please let me go up. Oh, it's just incredible. Bro, it was going so well, like all the time when I was jumping though, those jumps, it was going so easy. And now it's going so hard, like I have no idea why. Like what's going on? Okay, that was pretty easy, right? Easy jump, easy jump, easy jump, easy jump and easy jump. Yeah, let's go. And now we are at the... Okay, so I need to like repair this plane because it shouldn't be visible like that. But now we are at the second level. Second level is pretty annoying to jump through because like you have this not small, not big jumps. Oh, what is there? I don't remember having set up anything here. Oh, it's this one with the gravity and with the rotation platforms. Oh, makes sense for the rotation platforms to actually be on this level. Okay, let's see. So first of all, we want to make this bigger. So like I guess like 67 maybe. And drag it a bit down. And I think that's perfect. Because at this level, you will need to climb a lot more for this level. Okay, so I think I would like to make the jumps just jump through the from the side of the platform, so they go like this, and you just need to like constantly jump with a big fear of falling down, because in the middle you can just jump there, and on the side you will have this immense fear of going down. And also when you will jump here, if you will jump near the edges, you will fall 1 level down, but if you jump near the middle, you will fall like 2 levels down. So I think that there are a lot of like design decisions that make jumping near the walls on this level just better. Okay, so what I want to do, like really, is to just make like a parent of this. Just go like 1 1 1 on it. I want all those pipes into this parent. I want to make a new object of it, and now I need to like rotate it like this, so it's like 180 on Z axis. And now I bring it to this position, and as you can see, now we have exactly the same thing but going to the other direction. That looks kinda cool, right? So what happens at this place, we start to jump on the wooden platforms, just like these ones. Look, just like that. And let's make it like far jumps. So we will make it like this. So you have high jumps first. Just like that, some high jumps. And now you will go for the long jumps. So like that. Alright. At least like one long jump like that, and then make long jumps like that. And of course, to make the difficulty higher, what we wanna do is we wanna take this, rotate this, and you see where I'm going, right? Now you will need to like jump around this platform. And that's pretty crazy, right? So like, let's make the player learn this thing bit by bit from the start. So what we get here is like 2 planks. When we get here, we get like 4 planks. Okay. Quarantine King, I'm not playing Once Human anymore, you know, like I'm not playing Once Human for like, I guess more than a month now, until they fix the PvP, I think until they fix the lags, the game is just like too laggy for me, but if they fix the lags, I really want to play it more, but I don't think they will fix the lags, and that's my main problem with it. Okay, and now I place it like that. I make it move a bit, and this should be like the ultimate crazy jump that's like really hard to make. And I will not make it harder because it would be just unfair and crazy for the players. Okay, I will place it like that, I guess. Maybe a bit into this direction. And I will just think of something different for them now. But first of all, I want to test it. And to test it, of course, I just bring my player. And let's set him on the first platform, so I can really test the flow of it. Like that, okay. Game and play. Nice. Play host. Let's eat a cookie. Okay, so first jump is impossible and then next ones are impossible. Let's see if this is possible. I think I jumped in a wrong moment. But yeah, it doesn't seem possible at all. Oh man. It seems possible, but it may be too hard. Getting the timing for when to jump is also pretty hard. Okay, let's test this one then. Okay, so it also should be possible, but it's like a little bit too hard. Bro. Okay, it's not bad. This is not bad. Maybe I should add a bit of coyote time now. I don't know. Maybe just make the platforms a bit bigger. Yeah, those jumps are way too easy in terms of what needed to be hard. So what's hard on them is the distance you need to jump, but the Neo aspect is way too easy. Okay, so all this a bit down, maybe even a bit more. This needs to be like way closer. And the problems here are not the Neo jumps, but how far they are. So something like that should be cool, right? Okay, and what I want to do is to like go then 3, 5, 7, so like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let's go for 6. And now we go for 7. So that's like max. Okay, let's see now. I think that might be hard or not hard at all. I have no idea, to be honest. No way, bro. Yeah, of course it's jumpable. Perfect. Perfect. This is way too far, bro. Who was so stupid to make a jump like that? Yeah. How is it possible that I thought that's a good jump? Bro. Oh, this jump is also like a bit too hard or what? Yeah, I think it's a bit too hard. And now I'm tilted because it was too hard and... This is easy. And this is a bit too hard, I also think so. Like, it's just too far. Okay, so this one was easy. This is correct, and this is too far. Okay, so what exactly is too far? This was perfect, if I remember correctly. Yes. This was way too far. Okay. And after that... who cares? Let's just see what I can see on the map. Come on. Okay, so this was way too far. This one was way too far. I need to just create one more platform. So it's okay. And now some of those jumps were too far, but I don't really remember which ones. I know I can just like calculate or something, but I'm not a person that likes to calculate a lot. Okay, like that. You think, guys, that's okay? Or is that still too far? Because I have no idea if that's okay or still too far. Bro, so close. But I think it's not possible. Bro, it should be totally possible to jump this. Yes, it is. So this is the problem, right? Yes. Okay, so this one was the problem. It was like a bit too high, I think. So this is what I will do, and now it should be perfect. Okay, so what do we get? I think maybe just normal jump blocks. Yeah, I think I will just get a normal jump blocks on this place. Where did that go, bro? And maybe get the material of bricks on it. Ah, you can't. Right, that makes sense. Okay, yeah. Let's just keep it like that. And let's just jump on it. Maybe let's enable this. And yeah, let's try like this. And yeah, and we will get it higher by a half. Each of them like a half higher. And now we do the same thing, but in a different direction. But wait, does that make sense even? Yeah, it does, but we need to use something different, right? We need to use these ones for it to make sense. Okay, like that maybe. So I can't really place it in the middle. Okay, I guess I will just need to do it by hand. I think that's enough, honestly. What I would do now is turn them like that, but make them like a bit bigger. And make them move. So what exactly is the mover script named? Boom. Okay, and let's test this. I think it should be pretty cool, right? Let's go. Wait, I was supposed to go up. I forgot about this whole idea. No. Bro, I would die so hard if I would be in the parkour civilization. In my real life, bro. Oh, that was too high, no? I was thinking I fixed stuff like that. But yeah, it's definitely too high. Lol. So first jump is too high now. Wait, this jump is also too high? No way. Right? Yes, it is. So like many jumps are way too high. No way. No way. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay, so first jump is too high. So I need to make all those jumps lower. And then this jump was okay, but this jump was also too high. Okay. I was so sure I fixed that. Oh man, no way. Now, that was satisfying. Oh, it's totally not in the line with everything, bro. No co tam? W sensie, że Discord, tak? No to czytałem już, wszystko widzę. Yeah, we are static, so that's why we are not moving. But those fillers are, I think, a bit too hard. Okay, so maybe I do something like that. Instead of all those fillers, I just place normal cubes there. And of course, for this, I need to disable being static. And for this, I just make them with normal cubes. Because it's like way too hard to jump on it with sprint. And I think it would be needed to go where I want them to go. Okay. So I just go like that. And I think that should be good enough. But now I need to make like this. So I don't need this one, but I think I need this one. Oh, and that's not in the correct place too. Can I even make something in a correct place? No, I can't. Okay, so I'll just move it by hand. Okay, but generally speaking, that makes sense, a lot of sense. Okay, so let's make more of them. Wait, is it only like... Hi, Per! What's up, Per? Maybe I should... Wait, what's going on? So, like, only this one has problems with itself? And the rest is okay, or what? Nice blue laughing or screaming face. Yeah, okay, so I think I moved everything wrongly. Oh, how annoying. I hate making mistakes. Okay, so what am I gonna do? Maybe I'm just gonna scale it now. Like this, maybe like even like 6. And just place it like that. Like starting from this position. Like this position. Exactly. And that's too high, I think. So maybe like, or maybe I can just bring it lower. Yeah, that's a better idea. Like this maybe. And now in this position I bring it like 2 down. At this position I bring it 2 down. At this position I bring it 2 down. And at this position I bring it 2 down. Okay. So what I need to do now? I have no idea what should I need to do now. Okay, I remember now. I unclick this. I select all of these guys. And I just move them right. And now we have pretty cool neo jumps. And that should work quite nicely. And as I have fixed everything, I should now go and be able to play it and test it. Okay, up, 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 forward, jump, sprint jump, sprint jump, sprint jump, sprint jump. Okay, sprint jump, sprint jump, sprint jump, sprint jump, sprint jump, normal jump, normal jump. And now for the neo jumps, how do I do this? With a sprint or without sprint? I really think this will be hard. Okay, but it wasn't. Okay. So it's pretty like crazy to do in terms of like my mindset, because I like fear falling a lot. Can I do this with no sprint? I don't think I can. So it's, I think, like only possible with sprint, right? Let's try with no sprint. Yeah, I think it's only possible with sprint. Oh, man. Please get me on the correct position. Thank you. So I think it's only possible with sprint. But this one I can do with no sprint, yeah. But to do the neo jump, I really need a lot of sprint every time. Oh man, it's so... Maybe for start I should make them like near the wall, so like they can't fall on the other. Yeah, let's do this. It will be much easier for players on this level, and I think that's Still pretty early. We can do like hard neo jumps later, right? And we are near the wall anyway, so it doesn't cost us anything to move this near the wall. It's not like destroying the concept of these jumps. Okay. Okay, so that should be nice. Maybe I can even move it outside a bit, okay. And yeah, I will still be pretty easy able to jump there. Yeah, okay, let's test it now. It should be like much easier right now, and I think that for this level it's actually okay to make it much easier, because it's like just the beginning of the pro level, and I don't think players need to be like so good at the start of pro level. So making it easier in this place is pretty good. So that will be like a lot of neo jumps. So after that, I think I will need to get to like, yeah, I have like moving platforms next. I mean, they are not moving. Oh no, they are, but they're moving weirdly. Is it like too far, or I just didn't concentrate? I think I just didn't concentrate because I have already done these jumps, right? And everything worked. Let's see. Easy jump, easy jump. Yeah, it seems like concentration problems. Easy jump, no way. It wasn't easy jump. Yeah, it looks like skill issue. Oh man, bro, why is it happening to me? Because I'm freaking stupid, that's why. Bam. 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 I'm just sometimes not jumping fast enough because I really want to like I'm not sure it's good that something like this happens, because it can feel pretty overwhelming for a player like me, but I'm also not the best player, so. But yeah, I will move it a bit down, because who cares? It's already, but I mean, it's hardest jump from this like pool of jumps, but I think it shouldn't be that hard anyway. But I know that I'm also like trying to do it in like pretty fast, successive jumps. And if like you just concentrate on each and every one, it should be easier. But I think it's nice to have a game that you can play like super fast and super like, oh man. No, so it's problem with me, not problem with height. Even now that it's, yeah, sometimes I just jump not that good, and that's the problem. Yeah, you see, I didn't change anything in this jump and I'm failing it. Okay, yeah, that was nice, that was easy, that was clean, and now let's check out these neo jumps. Okay, yeah, it's much easier now when I did this. I wonder how speedrunning of this game would look. Can I even fall here? No, I can't. Oh, so that's like so easy. But that's good. Sometimes life needs to be easy, right? I just wonder how people that fall here will feel. I think pretty devastated. Oh yeah, exactly, bro. These jumps are so cool. I think those jumps will be like one of the best jumps in the game, because how many of them you have? And you are like, okay, I have done it like so many times. It's easy for me now, so I can just, you know, do them like without thinking, and bam, suddenly you fall. Okay, and these guys move really weirdly. They shouldn't really move like that, so we'll need to fix that. But that's a pretty nice progress anyway, right? And I also think that we need like an alternative route, but maybe not in this place, really. Maybe in this place we don't really need an alternative route. We can just force players to go like this, because if you're jumping with friends, you can just see your friends like also being somewhere on these jumps. Okay, let's look on my place where I store ideas for what jumps to make next. Okay, so I jump like this. So I jump like this, this, this. It's like. Okay, so like maybe make a platform. Yeah, that makes a good idea. Yeah, that's a great idea. That's a great idea. So I will make the moving blocks a bit later. And as a reward for player for doing these jumps, I will give him a little platform. I mean, little is a bad word, because the platform will like be exact opposite of being a little platform. And what do I want this platform to be made of? I know, maybe I can find some working model already for that. Let's try going to Cinti and to maybe like Proto. Okay, who cares? This place maybe in buildings, something, no? This stuff is pretty cool. I wanna make use of that. So like what exactly do I build? Maybe I can even go to environment and find something at this place, no? Okay, so the question is, do we have like a scene with demo? Yes, we have. Let's check this out. Maybe we can just yoink something from here. Those rocks are cool, so I think maybe we will take rocks. But for the terrain... Oh, he has something like that. This is like a box of a terrain. Okay, so what is this? We could take something like this, of course, and like have it be grass. Yeah, that makes sense. But it's one-sided. But I think if we go, yeah, we can make it two-sided, no problem. We'll just import our own material on this anyway. And we can make also like jumps like that. This is also super cool, like a quarry like this. Oh man, so many ideas now. So many ideas, but I need to go to the toilet first before I do these ideas. Okay, let me go to the toilet. Wodę tylko. Boom. Oh man. How hard it is to just yoink a quarry like that from here, huh? Like if I want to yoink like whole quarry, I think that's pretty simple. There's like not even like any terrain here. Yeah, that's right. No, it is terrain, right? Yeah. But we have like only... Wait, no, it's not a terrain, it's like a mound. Yeah, so like this place doesn't even have any terrain. That's so cool. Yeah, so it's pretty easy to yoink. That also seems pretty easy to yoink. Maybe just jump on some roofs of this or something. Quarry, of course, and the wooden stuff. I definitely would want to yoink that. But how do I yoink that exactly? What's the best ways and what's the best thing to place first? Man. Okay, let's go. Let's actually go. I would like to place this. Okay, so maybe first thing first, like select all this and let's like bring it somewhere else. Okay, now I think we have camera here, right? So we don't want that, and we want to delete all this so we can have like a clear hierarchy. I mean, you want light, right? I guess light will be this place, so we delete this, delete clouds. We don't want trees. Background, let's keep it for now. Okay, so yeah, we don't need this for sure. We don't want any of these for sure. That means we don't need this for sure, for sure, for sure, for sure. Now we don't need this stuff for sure, and this stuff for sure. Okay, we don't want to have a ground. At least that's what I think. So I think we remove everything that's ground or similar. Okay. Okay. Okay, this is still ground, so we don't want this. Okay, yeah, okay, so we want, okay, so this is like with ground. Okay, I can understand that. Like a lot of useless stuff at this place. Yeah, I don't want this, I don't want this. No this, no this, no this, no. I don't want this stuff. I don't want this stuff. It looks pretty stupid with nothing there, but I don't think we should care. Don't care about this. And I think we want to remove this also. Okay. Now I don't want to have this tower. So like these buildings are okay. Do I just remove like whole terrain? I don't think so. But what terrain do we leave then? I think we leave this and this maybe, right? So like we don't really need this. Yeah, that's just what we go like. Maybe we just like remove all the ground. Where do we jump from this place though? Huh. Yeah, I definitely don't want anything like that. How do I do this properly? So I think what would be cool is like if you would start in a place like this, jump on this, just go there, jump on something else. So we are here, we maybe jump on this place, and we go like that, and so I really don't want like any ground, any. Okay, so what happens? I run on this, I go there, yeah. I still remove this, all this I remove. Oh wait, that's cool. Right? I don't know if we should care about this though, but that's definitely cool. Maybe we should keep this. Okay, let's just keep that then. How will we hide it? How will we hide it though? I know, let's just keep doing stuff like that and let's see how was that hidden. And just like that, alright. I guess like only like hide it from the top. So if you want to hide it, it will be just like good enough to like do it like that, right? And bam, it's basically hidden. But you can still go in and mine stuff. No, not this one. And you can basically just mine stuff, so I think that's correct. But we need the entrance to be like dirt, right? Okay, so something like that, but we remove more of this stuff, or maybe not. So like how much can I remove so it stays hidden? I guess that's all I can remove, right? And it all depends where do you look from. Well, I don't know, I think I will think something up, right? So first things is like I take stuff at this position. and I get it up. So the jumping part will be possible. And this is easily jumpable, this is also easily jumpable. And we delete this, of course. We want to delete this. And I guess I can just yoink something like that, right? Well, I guess so. Guess I just hide it like that. Okay, yeah, like that maybe. And then I don't also need that. Yeah, so that's how it works. And now it makes sense. And this place doesn't make like a lot of sense, but if you would bring that down, it would make a lot more sense, right? I think now it makes some sense. Yeah, and let's just keep it at that. So we can go in, mine some stuff, and go back. Okay, that makes sense, I think. I will make it a bit harder to jump on it though, right? Like remove a part of it. Like this. I don't know if that does make sense or not. But I think it does. Okay, let's pack this up. And not save anything. Great, so now we have mine. And we also want, I think, this one, right? And why not this one? If I just make a bit of this, yeah, I don't know. If I take this one, I have some cool jumps on the roofs and stuff like that, and I can do like this toom toom toom. I don't know, maybe I can just... I don't know, let's go to the scene first and let's think there. So where would this mine need to be? Maybe like under? Wait, like where is the mine though? I guess I need to select everything, right? Yeah, and bring it way closer. So I can manipulate it via the parent. And it's not moving because what? I don't see anything static. Okay, because I just didn't aim properly. I didn't hit the movement gizmo. Let's move. Okay, and now if we go to the parent, let's just place the parent in the middle. Okay. Okay, I think it can be nicely controlled now. And where do we go with it? Like under it? Does that make sense? Not really, right? Yeah, I don't think it does. Where do we bring it then? Bro. I have some ideas, but none of them are smart enough. Do we just place it like in a place like that? So it looks like it's like way too small. Maybe like this would be better. And of course we need to make it like way higher. I think this is like the one of the lower points, so like this. And maybe like turn it around and place it like that maybe. And now if I take like enough rocks and just place them around it, it should work, right? And it should make sense then. I think it should. Okay, so something like that should be good enough, I think. But like, is the size correct now? I don't know. But we definitely need like some rocks. And then we could just run around it and like properly mine some stuff. Yeah, that makes sense, okay. Yeah, so I think I will end this stream now because I'm pretty exhausted. I don't know why. I guess I just didn't sleep well enough. So see you guys tomorrow or something like that, and bye bye.